why did we find them here? I just want to know why they're here, really.
James Cork and his friends were hoping to find potential treasure in the water. Anything really that might be worth selling. They weren't expecting this. Over 2 days they dragged up around 80 weapons, pistols, rifles, even a machine gun, most of them in bits and corroded.
The first one was in a bag, like a sealed bag, and we wondered what was in it. So I cut it open and it was a little mag gun, like pistol.
Wow. And then what?
That's when we started over there and just caught one every time, really.
The boys actually took the guns home. Their parents called the police, who turned up within 10 minutes and took the collection away. They're now being destroyed.
Of course, the big question is, what were they doing here and who did they belong to? The police say they think the weapons date from the Second World War. But if that is the case, who would dump an arsenal this big in a watercourse in the middle of the Somerset Levels? Perhaps a collector who thought better about keeping them? It's even been suggested there might be a terrorist connection.
Military experts we've shown the pictures to say that some of the weapons do date from after the war, including a Czech-made machine gun, the VZ-25, a United States M16 assault rifle, and a Belgian-made FN Cal.
Over to my right here we've got what I'm pretty sure is a barrel from a heavy machine gun.
But most experts doubt they belonged to any terrorist group.
I can't quite see what any terrorist organisation would need to have such a broad spectrum for. More likely to be a collection of weapons, perhaps even dating back as trophies from the Second World War, which an individual has then developed over a period of time. And then, who knows, perhaps it all got too hot to handle, and they decided that dumping them was the easiest thing to do.
Of course, it's all speculation. Probably we'll never know. The waters may have surrendered their hoard, but not the story that goes with it. Clinton Rogers, BBC Points West.